So then the question is, yes or no, does the factory make magnetic eyeliner?
No.
No.
One day we had a crazy idea to start a business from scratch selling products on Amazon and record it every step of the way. We went to China on the search for the perfect product and filmed inside of factories where cameras had never been. We met amazing people and saw beautiful places from all around the world. We risked thousands of dollars to show you what it takes to build a business you love on your own terms. Join us on the journey to become new moguls.
Our goal in the next few hours is to individually find one product that we think we can sell on Amazon and make money at. Whoever comes up with the best product is the winner.
And it's based off of what product we think could be the most successful.
Yeah.
So maybe we even take it back to the hotel and like debate it.
Yeah. I like it. I don't know what I'm looking for yet, but I'll know it when I see it. Like, look at this. Here is some bulbs for $54. For $54, it's got a ton of reviews, which means they sell a lot. But I think the bulbs are very interesting. Very interesting. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so I'm interested in lighting, and I think there's a big opportunity, but there is a lot of certifications and stuff in electronics. And I was just researching, and it sounds like there's a couple of major testing bodies. So there's ETL and UL. UL stands for like underwritten laboratories or something like that. I probably sound like an idiot because I'm not an expert in it, but it sounds like it's between $5,000 and $15,000 to get a certification. So when I go to these booths, I'm going to ask them what type of certifications they have and see if they already have those certifications for their products. If we find something really good, we might be able to go ahead and try to get a certification for them. I bet Scott knows a lot about this, but it's just one of those things where as soon as you start diving into a product and you find an opportunity, it really makes a lot of sense to figure out as much as you can about the category, see what's going on. So let's see what we got. Let's see if we can find some more booths that are selling the hanging LEDs.
Okay, so we're headed over to 9-1 right now. You know, sometimes you get into the mindset of wanting to create a product and wanting to create a brand and it being this big sexy thing and overly engineered, and it's almost like you're projecting your own persona on this product. Like, who you are is your product, right? And sometimes you forget that it's these non-sexy products that make money. We're going after homeowners, you know. That's a great market where they're constantly replacing stuff breaks. They just quick decisions that often lead to them spending, you know, quite a bit of money, relatively speaking. So we'll see what we find.
Certification? Awesome! Finally!
Yes!
Yeah. What's your most popular sellers?
The big size film.
The big ones, the big filament. That's what you make the most of.
The pure butter and the new design.
So the most popular is the big filaments.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I
know. Just for decoration, some restaurant and the cafe and bar. And like this is a very decoration, some Christmas Day, holiday, and some, just for them.
That's cool. Okay, let's talk about prices. So, how much for like something like this?
Yeah, I understand. But the price for USA is just so.
Just so?
Yeah,
like,
for you.
I get best
for
price.
your countries.
I get the best price?
Yeah.
That's right. Can you sell them? You sell them with the hanging and the.
Yeah.
So this is like this.
Yeah.
So like something like this.
And like some.
These are hot. I gotta put these down. Wow! Burning my fingers.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's okay. It's not. This part is a little hot.
Yeah.
The metal. Let's find a box. Cool. UL certification. Last day, you get samples. That's the good thing about it. You can't get a freaking sample at the Canton Fair if you come early. On the last day, they're like, please, take my crap. I don't want to bring it all the way back. As long as they have multiple. That's pretty cool. All right, cool. So we were looking for some LED bulbs, some hanging LED bulbs. They're really cool for like commercial and B2B sales, but I think there's an opportunity on Amazon. Amazon is launching they have launched their business-to-business platform. So a lot of people are coming to Amazon to source for like architecture projects and all kinds of stuff like that. And that stuff is so expensive to do. So it should be pretty interesting. I think it's potential we can go back. We might have a winner there. So it's exciting.
Edison bulbs?
So where the heck is Jesse and
Oh, hey, how's it going?
That was That's Jesse's laying down in his bed.
What's that? Hey,
So it's like hanging.
it's an Edison bulb.
Yeah, LED.
An LED.
Edison bulb LED.
Yeah. And like here's another one that I thought was cool. Cool fixture. So different, but
Tavish, what's your product?
Solar garden lights. A 16 pack of these things goes for $30, and you can source them individually for 50 cents a piece.
okay. Let me see it. All right. So solar
garden lights for 50 cents a piece.
sounds crap.
So this is funny. So since being here in China, have you noticed anything about the toilet paper holders here?
No,
They're different than ours.
they have like a little metal thing over there.
Yeah, they have the flap.
Yeah.
And have you noticed? Like, have you guys experienced that like tearing toilet paper over here is so much easier than in the US?
I'm going with the toilet paper holder.
All right. Let me actually explain this algorithm really quick. All right. So we have debated it, and we have come up with like a rubric to kind of grade these products. So one is your profit margin. The next is the traffic, so the amount of traffic, and then we have the review count, and then we have the thing that we just invented called a runway, which is actually Tavish's invention. And basically, and Scott named it, so thank you. With the runway, you take your margin, and then you take your cost of goods, and you look at how long you can sell, and then we looked at the average sales velocity on page 1, and it was just like how many months you can kind of sustain battle to rank, right? And so we capped that at 10 months, because if you bought more than 10 months of inventory, that makes sense. So the highest number you can get in any of these categories is a 10. The lower the amount of reviews on page 1, basically, the better. So if something had 0 reviews, if every single product on page 1 had 0 reviews, then we were giving that a 10, basically. For solar garden lights, its score overall was only 2.2 out of 10, basically, on average. So it is a 2.2. For the 6-pack Edison bulb, which was my pick, and so that score was a 6.59 out of 10, so pretty good. And then Jesse's product, so its score and coming in as the winner, 7.34. Congratulations, Jesse, toilet holder.
I am
The champion.
the throne. I don't know. I wanted to make some joke about toilets, but it didn't come out. Jesse, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Who's I talking with?
Yeah, me.
Great. All right, so let's take a look. I please have a seat here, or either way. So the first thing I want to see. This is how I'm going to know if we should. I was very specific. The things that I need to see right now are magnetic eyeliner first.
Eyeliner?
Eyeliner.
Yeah.
A magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelashes. I want to see those.
Okay. Firstly, I can show you the magnetic eyelashes. Okay.
Let's start with the eyeliner. I've seen
Eyeliner?
eyelashes. I want to see the eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
还是闪闪的是哪一个？这位，你刚才说的那个。
那个是
eyeliner。
全部都是，你可以。 Okay. And this is magnetic.
In fact, before we come here, I talked to her and want to confirm about what is magnetic eyeliner. The function. I mean,
Look, here's wait before we get into this.
okay.
When someone says to you, this is magnetic eyeliner. I need magnetic eyeliner. Please bring magnetic eyeliner. You ask them.
Yeah.
That is the time to ask me.
Yeah.
What is magnetic eyeliner?
Yes.
Not now.
Yeah. I mean, I understand what you're talking about.
Okay.
But they.
So then the question is, yes or no? Does the factory make magnetic eyeliner?
No.
No. Quick update. Yeah, it didn't go well. You know, things don't always go well. But we'll see in a couple weeks what happens from these guys. Maybe we'll have some good news. And in 2 weeks when we get back to the United States. I hope them the best. Yeah.
Alright, I'll be back. So they have these like vending machines that squeeze fresh orange juice. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's watch it. Let's see. Oh, the oranges are growing up. What you get? Cup of orange juice. With a little straw attached. Fresh squeezed orange juice. It's pretty freaking cool, man. I don't know, I'm a fan. I'm a fan.